Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, meet you again in the Simple English is Better English channel. In this episode, we will talk about or we will discuss enter, get in, and come in. Ya, jadi kita akan belajar enter, get in, come in, atau enter, come in, get in, atau get in, come in, enter. Yang dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya itu masuk. Ya, diingat, masuk. Oke. Saran saya untuk pemula dipakai saja dulu apa yang kita tahu. Tidak perlu harus kita menunggu sampai benar. Ya, jangan takut ditertawai, jangan takut dihina. Ya, sambil berproses, Anda selalu harus mendengarkan orang-orang yang Anda percayai kemampuan bahasa Inggrisnya atau keilmuan bahasa Inggrisnya. Bagaimana mereka menggunakan kata-kata atau ketiga kata ini. Setelah Anda perhatikan baik-baik, Anda mulai mengkopinya dan mulai menggunakannya untuk kebutuhan Anda sendiri. Oke? Itu yang terpenting. Jadi, kalau kita salah, itu tidak apa-apa. Oke? Sekarang, coba perhatikan yang berikut ini. Apa itu yang berikut ini? Kira-kira apa ya? Oke, ayo. Come in is inviting. Ya. Yang biasa artinya mengundang. Ya. Jadi kalau come in itu artinya mengundang. Ya. Itu biasa diartikan mengundang. Get in is more demanding, ya. Jadi dia lebih cenderung kayak, maksudnya itu kayak demanding, ada commanding. Yang saya maksud itu adalah commanding, kayak pemerintah, ya. Oke. Jadi bukan demanding, commanding. Jadi get in, it's more commanding. Bagaimana dengan enter? Enter can be either. Atau pengucapannya, tahu ada pengucapannya either. Ada yang mengucapkannya either, ada yang mengucapkannya either. Saya sendiri mengucapkannya either. Dua-duanya boleh, nggak ada yang salah. Ya, okay. Apa itu artinya? Enter. Jadi boleh mengundang atau boleh kayak memerintah. Ya, seperti itu. Nah, jangan pusing. Oh, aku pusing. Terlalu banyak aturannya. Ingat, remember, don't get puzzled. Don't get puzzled. Ya. Don't get puzzled itu adalah salah satu ekspresi ketika kita mengatakan jangan pusing, ya. Gitu. Gitu. Kalau misalnya saya bilang, aduh saya pusing, I get puzzled. Oh God, I get puzzled with this assignment. I don't understand. Ya, seperti itu. Nah, enter is used for larger spaces or event. Apa itu spaces? Ruang atau tempat, ya, yang agak lebih besar. Perhatikan contoh-contoh yang saya akan berikan ini, ya, gitu. Anda juga sambil berpikir, ya, buat contoh sendiri. Apa contoh yang pertama? He entered the room very quietly. He entered. Kenapa dia menggunakan entered, bukan enter? Ya, entered karena lampau, ya. Jadi kalau saya bilang yang present, yang sekarang, he enters the room very quietly. He enters the room very quietly. Apa contoh yang berikutnya? Ada yang tahu kira-kira? Coba. He decided to enter the competition. He decided to enter the competition. Apa itu artinya decide? Decide itu memutuskan. Sementara kalau lampaunya decided, ya. Jadi he decided to enter the competition. Apa contoh yang terakhir? 3 aja ya. Oke, nanti di rumah buat contoh masing-masing. Coba dengarkan baik-baik. Main mata dulu. What year did you enter university? What year did you enter university? Ya, tahun berapa sih kamu masuk universitas? Seperti itu. Kemudian perhatikan, enter is also used for street signs. Biasa tuh ada di jalan-jalan, biasa kita baca do not enter, ya, seperti itu. Seperti yang baru saja ya saya jelaskan, ya, seperti yang baru saja saya jelaskan, barusan saja, ya, kira-kira. Come in is more common, it's very friendly, ya, jadi lebih ramah, ya, kira-kira. Sementara enter, it's a little awkward if you are inviting someone into your house or into your room, ya, agak sedikit tidak apa sih kalau kita minta orang masuk, misalnya come in, jarang kita bilang enter, gitu kan. Because I think enter is a bit more formal. Nah, sekarang perhatikan konteks yang di bawah ini, ya. See this context. If I am asking someone or my teacher in this situation, I will prefer to say seperti ini. Do you want to enter the class today? Kata lainnya want to disingkat, do you want to enter the class today? Di beberapa negara, want to ditambah lagi tambah to. Walaupun sebenarnya wanna itu sudah disingkatan dari want to. Misalnya kalau di Amerika, I wanna to. Do you wanna to enter the class today? It's a bit more colloquial. Yeah. Untuk penjelasan-penjelasan ini, maybe I am wrong. Yeah, because I haven't read enough literature. Maybe you're right. Yeah, seperti itu. But this is what I use. Okay. Now let's talk about in. Sekarang kita akan bahas in. Ya. In means inside or within. It's usually a preposition or an adverb of place, an adverb of place. Seperti contoh yang ini. The cat is in the box. Itu sama dengan within or inside the box. So, to come in is of phrasal verb meaning to enter. Okay, you need to know that. You need to remember that so you don't get confused. Okay, you don't get puzzled. It is said only by a person. It is said only by a person. I have to repeat these so you can understand clearly. Who is already inside? Yeah, it's said. Yeah, it is said only by a person who is already inside, yang sudah ada di dalam. Right. Now, let's see the use of get in. Ya, kita ambil contoh penggunaannya di Amerika. Ya, in the US. It is commonly said to someone like, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. Biasanya dipakai dalam konteks-konteks seperti itu. Get in here refers to any small space in which someone is standing. Jadi ada orang yang berdiri and someone else needs to enter, dan ada orang yang mau masuk, ya. Jadi kayak, ya namanya kayak kita mau masuk di mobil kayak gitu, ya. They would say get in, ya. Mereka akan menggunakan get in. Or a few other phrases too, but rarely, if ever, would you hear enter. Very rare. So in here, to get in the car, yeah. So in here, to get in a car is certainly to enter the car, but that's not how enter is used. Yeah. So yang harus diingat, that's not how enter is commonly used. Itu yang harus di-highlight, yang harus digarisbawahi ya, supaya jangan bingung. Get in, what's commonly used. For example, ya seperti contoh nih, saya beriin lagi contoh. Hi guys, I'm getting in the car and I will be back later. Mungkin kita tambahin I'll be back later to talk to you all. Ya, jadi saya ulang. Hi guys, I am getting in the car and I'll be back later. Nah, seperti itu. Now, almost no one would say, I am entering the car right now and I'll be back later. Yeah? But here in Kendari, mungkin ya di Kendari, you may hear someone says, I enter the car. Mungkin ya, kita tidak pernah tahu ya. I think this happens because the person mostly translates the language from Indonesian into English, yeah. So, saya masuk di mobil, so I enter in the car, right? Seperti itu. But for me, it doesn't matter as long as it's understandable. I won't be bothered, yeah. Saya nggak akan bermasalah. For me to be correct, it takes a long time. It's not an overnight process. Jadi bukan proses satu malam. Okay? Hope you will find this useful. Okay? Guys, don't forget to upgrade yourself in my channel because there's some new videos that that might be useful for you. Right? Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!